Make a great choice today with
the 2023 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, LED headlights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.